Welcome to Beautyistic, your trusted destination for all things beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into a cutting-edge product that promises to revolutionize your oral care routine. Meet the Y-Brush Ultra Premium Sonic Toothbrush, a game-changer in dental hygiene for 2025. The Y-Brush Ultra Premium stands out with its innovative design and advanced features. The highlight of this toothbrush is its patented Y-shaped brush head, engineered to clean all teeth and gums in just a 20-second cycle using high-powered sonic vibrations. This, combined with 6 distinct cleaning modes, makes it customizable to your needs, whether you're looking for a gentle clean for sensitive teeth or a more intense setting for deep cleaning and whitening. For those on the go, the Y-Brush is perfect for both travel and home use. It comes with a sleek travel case, a toothpaste applicator, a drying stand for brush heads, and 2 interchangeable brush heads, the Clean 240 head and a classic brush head. The inclusion of these accessories enhances the overall value and makes it incredibly convenient to maintain your oral health wherever you are. When it comes to cleaning performance, the Y-Brush doesn't disappoint. Clinically backed, it has been proven to remove twice the plaque compared to leading electric toothbrushes, contributing to improved gum health and reduced tooth decay. The sonic vibrations ensure a more efficient clean, requiring minimal effort on your part, which is ideal for busy mornings or evenings. Now let's talk about my real-world experience using the Y-Brush Ultra Premium. Setting it up was a breeze. Simply pop in the brush head, charge it via the USB-C port, and you're ready to go. I tested it over the course of a week, using all 6 cleaning modes. The 20-second cleaning cycle is incredibly efficient, and I was surprised by how much cleaner my teeth felt compared to a traditional toothbrush. The varying intensities of the modes made it easy to adjust to my personal needs, with the deep cleaning mode leaving my teeth feeling refreshed and smooth. However, I did find that the Y-Brush can take a little getting used to, particularly with the Y-shaped head, which feels different from the standard round brush heads we're all accustomed to. Initially, I was a bit unsure about the design, but after a couple of uses, I appreciated the thoroughness of the cleaning. Now let's break it down. What are the pros and cons of this toothbrush? On the positive side, the Y-Brush Ultra Premium offers a truly innovative design with its Y-shaped brush head, which makes brushing your teeth more efficient and effective. The 6 cleaning modes cater to different needs, which is great for customization. The travel case and other accessories make it perfect for on-the-go use. It's also impressive that the toothbrush removes twice as much plaque as traditional brushes, contributing to better oral health. On the flip side, the unique Y-shaped brush head may take some getting used to, especially for those accustomed to the classic round brush heads. Additionally, while the USB-C charging is a convenient feature, it might not be as universally compatible with all charging setups, depending on the devices you use. Is it worth the price? For its functionality, design, and the additional accessories, the Y-Brush Ultra Premium offers decent value for money. The fact that it can last up to 6 months per charge is definitely a plus, reducing the need for frequent recharging. That said, there are other electric toothbrushes on the market at a lower price point that also perform well, so it really depends on whether you value the unique features of this model. When comparing the Y-Brush to other sonic toothbrushes on the market, it excels in its innovative design and tailored cleaning options. While other models focus on just 1 or 2 cleaning modes, the Y-Brush gives you 6, making it a versatile choice. However, its price point is on the higher side. And if you're simply looking for basic cleaning, there are more budget-friendly options that might serve you just as well. In terms of build quality, the Y-Brush feels solid and well-made. The materials used in the toothbrush and its accessories feel premium, and the rechargeable battery is designed to last, offering up to 6 months of use on a single charge. It's clear that the Y-Brush is built to endure, and the added convenience of its travel case only adds to its appeal for those constantly on the move. As for customer support, I haven't needed to interact with the company's service team yet, but considering the positive reputation of the brand, I don't expect any major issues in that regard. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, There are certainly other electric toothbrushes that offer similar features, like the Sonicare Diamond Clean or Oral-B's Genius X. However, the Y-Brush's unique design, with its Y-shaped brush head, sets it apart from these competitors, offering a distinct approach to oral care. To sum it up, the Y-Brush Ultra Premium Sonic Toothbrush is an innovative product that delivers impressive cleaning performance with the convenience of a customizable experience. It's perfect for someone looking to elevate their oral care routine and willing to invest in a high-quality toothbrush. However, if you're someone who prefers a more traditional design or is on a budget, there are definitely alternative options out there. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other oral care enthusiasts can also find this video. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab your Y-Brush Ultra Premium can be found in the comments box below. If you've already tried it, feel free to drop a comment and share your thoughts. Until next time, keep brushing with beauty.